What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue on the SR. We're going to be working with a buddy of mine, Kyle. You'll see him in a lot of videos, and Britt's going to come hang out. I got to go to Lordco right now, grab some Loctite, red and blue, so we're going to go do that now. Okay, so we're gonna continue on the intake side now that I got the thread locker. So we're just gonna get the intake manifold on, get the thermostat in and the housing in. I'm gonna test, make sure my thermostat's still working properly. Now we'll be good to go on to the other side as well. Okay, so a lot of the stuff that came off of the motor when it first came out is like filthy. It's disgusting. So I'm gonna work on cleaning this up too. This is the alternator bracket. So yeah, it'll be nice and clean to go back on, because why put dirty things on a nice clean motor? Okay, so I cleaned it up as best I could. I don't really want to go through the trouble of fully repainting everything, because at the end of the day it's going to be inside the car, you can't, or in the motor, and this is a lower mount, so you're not really going to see it because it sits right here. So from looking at it from a top view, the intake and everything's going to be in the way, so you don't even really see it. So I think I cleaned it up well enough for now. So let's put it on.
Hi.
Hi, Kyle.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
My name's Kyle, and I'm here to help Travis work on his car because it's absolutely gorgeous.
So Kyle's a really good friend of mine. He's a mechanic at Ferd, but he helped me tear apart the motor, so he's going to be helping put it back together, hopefully.
You got a different oil pan?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I got that Gretty, man.
Looks cool.
It's a very nice oil pan.
Pretty wide. Does the stock
It's
one
big.
like only go like here?
The stock one is sitting on the ground right there.
Oh, so yeah, it's just a little guys. This one.
Gross.
Higher oil capacity.
Yeah, man. Okay, so got the alternator bracket on. Now Kyle's gonna do the motor mounts. I'm still waiting to hear about the O-rings for the sandwich plate, and then I'm gonna throw the thermostat. And then I'm gonna throw the thermostat in and get that all bolted up. Okay, so I learned a trick the other day that if you put your thermostat in boiling hot water and it opens, that's like a way to test if it's good or not. So I'm going to do that right now. On the thermostat, so if you look on the thermostat right here, it's kind of hard to see, but it says 62 degrees Celsius. So that's
69. That's the one we need, but this will do.
So that's the opening temperature. That's what temperature to open at when your coolant's at that. So I'm going to drop it in some boiling hot water and see what it does. It didn't open.
No, it'll take a sec.
It's pretty cool, actually. So just
The
that.
spring should be moving.
Yeah, the spring's just compressing down.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you can tell, if you could see on the camera when it opened, but if you look down, there's like right here, there's the opening now. So the thermostat actually opens, so that means we're good to go and don't need to necessarily replace it. Oh, it's like boiling hot.
Probably watch it. It's pretty cool in here, so it'll probably take a sec, but we'll watch it close.
So you can see that it's open, because you can see Kyle's fingers through there and the light. Okay. So as you can see, it is fully closed almost again. So we are good. We can throw this back in the car and we won't have no sticky thermostat issues. Right, Kyle?
Gonna be extra yum today, boys. Nice and gourmet.
Extra gourmet.
So fucking fresh. Oh my god.
Oh my god. I'm gonna have to bleep you out so much.
Yes.
Okay, so there's some built up silicone on the thermostat housing. So I'm just gonna take a wire brush and try and get all of that off as much as I can. Okay, so now that that's all cleaned up, I'm going to throw some silicone all around the edge here and throw it on the thermostat as well. Did we kick the thermostat somewhere? Oh, I put it up here.
Is there any gaskets available for it or no?
No. Okay, so I know that this like screw here, or this has to be at the top
for air to bleed.
Yeah. So just throw it on inside here.
Yeah, I do it on the lip there.
On the lip.
Yeah, and then throw it in, and then I would put a gasket maker on the other guy, like the snout that bolts onto there.
Yeah.
And then I would put it on the mating surface there, like on the other side, just to. Yeah, because that's where it's going to seal, right? Because if you just throw silicone in there, just a tiny bit will come out and then it won't seal.
Yeah, I'll throw more on here, but I was just saying.
You probably don't even need to do it in here, but...
Well, this would be just to stop the thermostat from falling once.
Yeah.
I think. I might just throw a little bit.
Torque to spec. Monster
Pepsi.
Energy.
Monster sponsor me.
Monster Energy. Alright. That ain't going nowhere.
Ooh.
What's all the forms? What?
Monster, don't sponsor me. There's stuff in your drinks. I don't know. It might have been a boogie. Okay, so we're just gonna throw some Loctite on there. Spread it around nice and goopy. Oh, that came out fast, dude. So this is one of the motor mount bolts. So we don't want it vibrating out because the mounts. So we put Loctite on these because the mounts are polyurethane. So there's going to be a lot of vibration in the motor, so we don't want these rattling out and the motor falling around and breaking. And
That would not be yum.
no, not yum. Alright.
I giggled pretty good.
You always got the memes, Kyle. If anyone wants good memes, follow Kyle on Instagram at Chef Jugs 1 2 or 1.
It's just Chef Jugs.
Oh, is it? I thought
It's the OG Chef Jugs.
the OG Chef Jugs. I'll explain that story another day.
No numbers needed.
Too many memes.
People saying haha to my memes. Oh, there it is.
Torque. I mean click. 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 Torque to spec.
All good.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that camera is loud.
I know, hey. I don't even focus. There we go. Oh yeah. Silicone Pro, man. Good job, brother.
Look at all this silicone.
What? You like this silicone?
So look at all this silicone.
Oh, is there still some on there?
Yeah.
I forgot the boiling water would have taken it off. Okay, so another thing I haven't mentioned yet is the lens. Obviously, you guys can hear it autofocusing. I've been trying to use manual focus as much as possible. I ordered a new lens. Should be here tomorrow. So by the next time we're recording, you guys will not be able to hear that anymore. But thanks for bearing with it for now.
Alright, so gonna put the thermostat in here. Put some silicone on that side to kind of try and hopefully hold her in while we go in. Just don't want this to get blocked off by that silicone, so I'm gonna kind of wipe some off up in that area. Go ahead and stick her in. Looks like she should be good. Alright, and then just gasket maker around here to seal it all off so there's no leakage. Don't want any of that leakage. No leakage, no seepage. Don't want any of that. So this guy, try to sneak her in without wiping any of the gasket maker off. Alright, go ahead and start putting the bolts in. And yeah, once the silicone dries, then we'll scrape off all the red stuff. Red's good for looking performance-y, but when it sticks out like that, it's not very nice. Want everybody to be looking at the red motor mounts, not the red silicone. All right. Man, looks like it's probably 10 though. So we'll go. It's one of these drawers. I know that. It's not much of a problem. Aha. Go in nice and slowly because these are small bolts. Cool. This guy. Snug her up. Man, those are tiny bolts. Doesn't feel yummy. Bolting them up.
Ooh.
Unfortunately, Alright, I don't want to go any tighter than that. That should be good.
Sweet.
She ain't going nowhere.
Okay, so we got everything that's going under the intake basically bolted up. I ordered the gaskets for this just now. Alternator brackets on, that's on. Honestly, my main concern now is going to be all the vacuum lines. I'm not looking forward to that.
Yeah, it looks yummy.
Yeah, it does not look like a good time. You can do everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you're a mechanic?
Yeah.
Car girl.
Car girl? Just car girl, thanks. Okay, so we're probably going to go ahead with figuring out all these vacuum lines and putting the manifold on. So this is going to be interesting. It's going to be good times.
Good time, no bad.
Is it going to be gourmet?
Extra gourmet.
Perfect. Okay, so we went ahead and put the intake manifold on. Really simple. We didn't fully do it yet, but it was just, we just did the two manifold bolts there and there. We mainly just put it on so that we could get an idea for where all the lines and everything went. And we have it all pretty much sorted. There's a couple lines that I need to get. So yeah, I think we're done for the day. Kyle and Britt had to take off. So I'm probably just gonna pack up, get everything put away, and finish up for the night because it is very cold in BC right now. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment if you're liking it so far. If you have any questions, I'll try my best to answer them. Other than that, stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.